Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Algorand price prediction and Algorand news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Algorand in 2022. Algorand is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. Algorand supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trust. The main network, mainnet Algorand, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created Algorand? Silvio Micali is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of Algorand. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols. Thus, he is one of the first creators of cryptocurrency in the world. Awarded among teams that accelerate the work needed to deliver Ethereum at the United States dollar virtual machine (EVM) compatibility, according to a release dated February 17. Algorand Supergrant is a grant program that targets experienced research and development teams to research or build secure solutions for the Algorand ecosystem. And EVM compatibility refers to decentralized applications that are built on Ether-compatible blockchains. Research and developer teams will be expected to submit their proposals no later than March 18, the release noted. Multiple teams may be chosen, with the reward being split among the competing teams. Furthermore, Algorand believes in a multi-chain world, and this supergrant will move us towards that inevitability, said Algorand Foundation CEO Stacy Warden. Running smart contracts written for Ethereum on Algorand eliminates the barriers for popular DeFi protocols and NFT projects to serve multiple chains, while significantly decreasing the costs to those who participate, she added. Subsequently, another $10 million will go to projects that can build strong developer tools for Algorand, such as compilers, Algorand Foundation CEO Stacy Warden told CoinDesk in an interview Thursday. Meanwhile, Algorand Foundation's native digital token, Algorand, ALGO United States $-1.1%, is off slightly in the past 24 hours, as Bitcoin, BTC United States $-1.5%, and Ethereum, at the United States $-3.3%, drift lower. Previously, December 30, 2021, Algorand said it will distribute ALGO to drive DeFi adoption. Defend for preventing a pattern breakout. At press time, BTC was trading at $29.85. The RSI exhibited a bullish inclination after a week-long recovery. Now, it aimed to test the 52 to 56 range before a possible revival in the near term. Next, Asia Infinity, Axis. As the bears took over from the $65 level, Axis lost crucial price points in the last 20 days. The alt lost over 40% of its value since 7 February, as it headed south to touch its 6-month low on 24 February. Due to this, it fell below its 20 to 50 to 200 SMA while retesting the $42 support. Since the buyers were keen on keeping this support intact, the alt saw grew by over 30% in the last 5 days. Thus, rising above its moving averages while the 20 SMA, red, jumped above 50 SMA, gray. From here, any retracements would find support of left Coinbase last week. Meanwhile, BTC prices have seen a marginal rise of 1% in the last 7 days. 31,130 BTC leaves Coinbase. The market insight report issued by Glassnode illustrates that Bitcoin has been riding between the price range of $37,274 and $42,455 in the past week. During this period, 31,130 BTC, $1.18 billion, has left Coinbase. This has been the biggest net outflow reported since 28 July 2017. However, this is also a signal representing that investors see BTC as a relevant asset in modern portfolios. The major outrush has resulted in a drop of the total balance held on Coinbase to 649.5k BTC. This is the same level as seen at the 2017 bull market top. Coinbase's total Bitcoin balance has now declined by 375.5k BTC, 36.6%, from the all-time high, reached in April 2020. Over 51 MBTC still held by short-term holders. Coinbase is the largest exchange by BTC balance, and is very preferred by the US-based institutions. This supports the adoption of Bitcoin as a macro asset by larger institutions. The report further added the illiquid supply shock ratio, ISSR, shows a significant uptick this week, suggesting that these withdrawn coins have been moved into a wallet that has no history of spending. Glassnode indicates that this metric will trend higher as more coins move into such wallets, as the current market structure is similar to the 2018-20 bear market, albeit on a shorter time scale. However, Bitcoin has shown a persistent demand despite struggling prices. Board in search of more favorable short positions could also commence over the weekend. The second news today is cryptocurrency hacks usually make the news. So do arrests of alleged perpetrators. The recent seizure of around $3.6 billion worth of Bitcoin, along with the highly publicized arrest of two individuals tied to a 2016 attack on the crypto exchange Bitfinex by federal officials, is but one example. Crypto analytics played a key role in helping federal officials identify the alleged Bitfinex launderers. In another case, blockchain analysis may have helped clear the names of two suspects in an exchange hack. In November 2020, two Venezuelan software developers, José Manuel Osorio Mendoza and Calvin Jonathan Diaz, were detained by local authorities under suspicion of stealing around $1 million worth of Bitcoin from a local cryptocurrency exchange called Banker. Mendoza and Diaz maintained their innocence, but remained doubtful they would be able to prove it in court. There is a lot of technological ignorance in my country. Despite being an economy open to crypto, even though we worked at a technology enterprise, we felt this doubt about how we could explain something that was so new and so difficult to understand to a local judge, Mendoza said. At the time of their detainment, Mendoza and Diaz were deposited a Venezuelan software. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Algorand will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ALGO will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ALGO ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. Algorand price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Algorand could cross $3.99 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around $3.53. ALGO price prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Algorand will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, ALGO is expected to peak at $5.88. The minimum bet could rise to $5.14 if the market turns bullish. ALGO price forecast 2027. For a long-term forecast of the Algorand price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of ALGO will rise to around $7.67 by 2027 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2027, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.93 with a minimum price level $7.41. Algorand price prediction 2028. Algorand's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore ALGO could reach $13.09 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $11.36